You search how to buy shares of Sanlorenzo S.p.A. The company is an Italian luxury yacht builder listed on CBOE EU under the ticker SL.MI. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as a neutral example to show the steps. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker SL.MI to locate Sanlorenzo. Confirm you select the stock listing for SL.MI from the search results. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm it matches Sanlorenzo S.p.A. Make sure the exchange displays CBOE EU and the ticker SL.MI. Click Investor Trade, enter the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next session, and the platform will request additional funds if your balance is insufficient before confirming. After the trade, your position will appear in your portfolio. For the example platform used in this video, check the link in the description.